What up, guys? So today I'm gonna be making some curried chicken feet. Yep, you heard me. So here I've got my chicken feet all washed with vinegar and clean it up, split it down in the middle. Let me zoom in for you, and I'm about to throw on some seasoning. These are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using today. So I've got it seasoned up, got my curry, all sorts of seasoning. These are my green seasoning, my onion, my sweet pepper, pimento, carrot, potato, thyme, and the whole works, guys. This is what it looks like when I throw all the green seasoning in, and I'm about to put it on the fire. Let me mix it up a little bit, give it a quick mix. Better yet, I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator so it can marinate for a few minutes, and I'm gonna check back with you. Okay, so this is what it looks like after a few hours in the refrigerator, well marinated. It smells so good. I'm gonna separate the chicken from the seasoning. I got the seasoning over here and I separated it, guys, ready to get it started. So now I got some oil. I'm putting some oil on the fire. I'm gonna throw my curry in because you know you want to burn the curry. So I put the fire on low and I'm gonna burn the curry. So this curry is nice and ready for my chicken feet right now, guys. Already burnt. This is what it looks like. So I'm gonna throw them in a pot and saute it a little bit until it's nicely browned. Then I'm gonna cover it and let it sweat its own juices, guys. So here I have it sauteed. I'm gonna cover it right now. So I'm gonna add some water because you know you need to put water in so it could cook down. I'm gonna repeat this process for at least 3 times. Each time the water cooks down, it gets soaked up. I'm gonna repeat it by adding some more until the feet are extremely tender. This is what it's looking like right now. I'm gonna add some more and let it do its thing. That I'm gonna add all my green seasoning that I had set aside, and then you know that's the final step. You add the seasoning and you let it simmer down. You turn the fire on low and let the fire do its thing. The fire is doing the rest of the work right now, so just chill and wait until it simmers down. This is the end result, guys. Look at that. See how rich it's looking? Look at that. It's bubbling nicely. So yummy and delicious. There you have it. I'm gonna make myself a plate and taste test time. You know I have to show what it looks like, but this is the end result, guys. So I paired it with a few pieces of avocado, some white rice, and some slices of cucumber. Thank you so much for watching. See y'all in another video.